I was just randomly browsing the OnePlus India website when I found that the OnePlus Nord was in stock with promised delivery in 2 days. Well, long story short, and here we are unboxing the OnePlus Nord. We get a paper invoice inside the box, but let's keep that away and focus on the new Nord themed box. On the back side, we have all the necessary details about the phone and the OnePlus Nord Instagram handle if you want to give them a follow. I rather like the theme of this box. The matte black, glossy black and turquoise theme is a far cry from the red and black theme of flagship OnePlus devices. It is really minimal with almost all the information on the back side. Anyway, we have a nice blue pull tab here to rip through the plastic, and as we do that, I cannot help but notice how many micro scratches there are on the glossy black parts of the box. I don't know if you can see it from your device through the camera, but there are a lot of scratches here, although of course that's not really a problem. Moving on, the lid comes off rather smoothly, and on the top we have the phone itself, although let's keep it to the side and get done with the in-box accessories first. We have a nice thick tray here on which the phone rested, and then the typical OnePlus bundle with the letter, the standard TPU case with a wacky new design, the SIM pin and some more paperwork. And then of course we have the standard OnePlus warp charge adapter with the signature red cable. The adapter for some reason doesn't want to come out, but let's respect its wishes and keep it on there. Anyway, let's move this all to the side and shift our focus back on the phone. As soon as I hold it in my hand, it is obvious that this phone feels a lot less dense, which is probably because of the plastic frame. I'm hoping it has some charge so that we can do the first boot, and voila, as it boots, let's flip over to the side and get rid of that IMEI sticker. On the bottom here we have the SIM tray, the Type-C port and the mono speaker. I'm actually really liking how this phone feels in the hand. The candy blue color is fresh, the plastic is a non-issue and the size is just perfect. But now that we are on the topic of blue phones, let me bring in my favorite contender, the good old blue iPhone XR. Of course, as you can see, the shades are totally different, with the XR having a somewhat deeper shade compared to the more bright Nord blue. Even the sides are worlds apart, with the XR having lighter matte aluminum bands compared to the glossy ones on the OnePlus Nord. Both of them have metal buttons though, and from what I can tell, the Nord's button feel more clickier. Anyway, let's compare it now to its elder brother, the head of the family, the blue OnePlus 8 Pro. It is heavier, more dense and just way larger comparatively. Let's also bring in the OnePlus 7T. Now the chemistry here is really interesting, because if there is any OnePlus phone that the Nord is fighting against, it is definitely the OnePlus 7T. The 7T might be a tad more expensive but offers a lot more to the consumer. Of course, we'll do a proper comparison video later on. To add to the nice OnePlus family portrait, let's get rid of the iPhone and also add the OnePlus 7 Pro. Again, a much heavier and larger device. But yeah, as I was saying, the Nord feels similar only to the OnePlus 7T with its slimmer body, flat display and the great value for money aspect. It would be interesting to compare these two and pick out a winner. Now of course, this video wouldn't be complete without bringing in the glacial green OnePlus 8. Again, there's a world of difference in the construction alone, with the OnePlus 8's satin glass back against the Nord's glossy glass and the 8's matte aluminum frame versus the Nord's glossy plastic one. But I have to say, I think I might actually prefer the side rear camera placement of the Nord compared to the centered placement on the OnePlus 8. But of course, that's purely subjective. Let us know in the comment section below if you want a comparison video of the OnePlus Nord versus the OnePlus 8 or any other OnePlus device. But for now, this is it guys. I am really excited to go set up this phone and start using it as my daily driver. Let me know if you need some particular videos or you need some particular information about this phone. Do like, share and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Until then, this is Rohan from TechieTechTech and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.